Kia ora, I'm Gabriel and we're here to look at the Dock 250 and how to set it safely and effectively. The Dock 250 is a box trap that is effective for larger animals such as ferrets, but is also effective for all mustelids, including stoats and weasels, and rodents including rats and mice. Today we've put our Dock 250 along a fence line, but they are also effective along pathways and waterways, as animals will often frequent these areas. You always want to make sure that the entranceway is clear, so I'll often check whether there's any grass around it. If there is, I will clear the grass, and I will clear the grass all the way around the trap as well, just to make access even easier for the animal. I will often check with my finger the actual grill around the front to see if it's got any sharp pieces, because that can also deter any animals. We don't want the animals to become trap shy. The first step getting inside a Dock 250 is unscrewing it. The next step will be to pivot the lid open. Make sure it's resting on top of the box and not hanging over the side. Next we'll bait the trap. Today we'll be using erased rabbit, egg and peanut butter. I'll put one dollop above the kill plate and one dollop just by the door. Now the one by the door I use for pre-feeding the animals so they become less shy with the trap. And occasionally, if you want to catch hedgehogs, you can use blaze, which is a mixture of flour and icing sugar. It's really important that we bait the trap before we set it. Grab your setting tool. One side is shaped like a C and is rigid, the other side moves and has a hook on the end. Sometimes the moving side can get a bit stiff, so check it's moving freely. Attach the C side to the top of the trap to the right of the trigger arm and the handle, so the loose side is hanging down and aligned with the trap handle. Use the hook to grab the handle. Put firm pressure onto the other side of the box with your hand to ensure it doesn't tip. A knee on the near side of the box can help too. Lift up all the way over the trigger arm, all the way towards you. Then go gently forward until the bottom of the trigger arm catches the sear, which is the little tab just above the kill plate. Gently unhook the setting tool from the trap handle. Remember to put the handle down so it doesn't catch on the lid. So I'll pivot the lid back, making sure not to catch the trap mechanism on the way through. I will then use the screwdriver to secure it closed again. There's heaps of information online. Visit predatorfreenz.org.